This is cabin E716. It's an interior cabin and it can be set up as a 4-berth cabin, so you'll see the bunk. So let me take you on a quick look at that. You can see here, so it's just the standard, the wardrobe, etc. You've got your safe, etc. set up here. And the cupboard, so they're all pretty much stock standard, as you can see. This has your bathroom, with your shower, toilet, bathroom things. And in your bathroom, it will have both body wash and shampoo and conditioner, which is mixed. You also have a clothesline here that you can use to hang up your clothes that you'd like to dry. Wanted to show you was the beds. So you can see that there's 2 single beds and above it are the bunks, so they can pull those down. Yeah, just some feedback in regard to that configuration. I have had feedback from people that pushing the beds together does make it hard to navigate around. One of the things I like about this position on Emerald Deck, Deck 8, is it is close to the lifts. It's after the ship. You can see that there's stairs here. They lead down to Deck 7, so you know that it's the promenade deck. It's a way through to go to many of the other areas on the ship. And being at the aft, we just have to walk out from the lifts and we can get up to Horizon Court on Deck 15 very easily. So yeah, good location, we like it.